Hey, dear ladies and gentlemen, this video that I'm making today is actually a tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you some DIY ideas, actually, fashion ideas. First of all, I'm not part of the fashion industry. I'm not exactly a fashionist. However, I want to share with you some creative ideas that you can use if you are interested in it. Actually, you might have heard actually that you know the Schiaparelli style is back in fashion, uh, and you cannot very easily. It's hard to find a Schiaparelli creation nowadays. Uh, they've begun again to create a new surrealistic clothes because Elsa Schiaparelli actually uh, was a good friend of Salvador Dali, so she made some interesting creations, some uh, surrealistic fashion, unique creations that actually nowadays are copied by or they are a source of inspiration for the Dolce Gabbana um, brand. Then actually um, I wanted a Schiaparelli creation, but I couldn't find it. So there's a fashion designer, Viveta Ponti, that actually does very similar creation to those of Schiaparelli from the past. But I did my own DIY in order to have a Schiaparelli, let's say, belt, which is a strange belt, a kind of a belt that um, is like that. I've seen something similar on the internet, throughout the internet. So these are two hands. It's very strange, right? So I actually designed. I took the shape of my hands, and then I took a pencil and a sheet of paper, and I draw. I draw. I used to draw the shape of my hands, and then I begin to sew this. It sounds and it looks so crazy, but I just did that, right? I've made a belt, a strange belt actually, and it's my creation actually, inspired by surrealistic paintings by Schiaparelli style. And so I transformed a kind of a very, simple dress, a little black dress, a very simple dress. I've transformed it into something very genuine. Uh, in reality, it looks interesting. Look here. So actually, you can make at home when you have an idea. You can just start working on your ideas and put them to work. So as I say, it's not a professional work. It's just as an it's just I just put some ideas into practice because I wanted something for myself and made by myself, and it turned out nice. Again, then uh, another thing. This is a Lanvin style necklace that I made. You can buy Lanvin necklaces on the Amazon. You can order on Amazon or other websites. However, nowadays even the Lanvin house uses actually faux pearls. So let's pretend that you have some uh, real pearls, some cultured pearls, and you want to make your own collar, your own pendant, whatever you want. So you have some. These are faux pearls too, but this is just an example here because I'm gonna make Lanvin style necklaces with cultured pearls, using cultured pearls. So it goes well with this, for example. Look at that. And if you have some pearls and a ribbon, you can make something elegant, Lanvin style necklace here. So we don't have to wait for things to be created for us. We don't have to, wait for products that can fit our imagination. We have to use our imagination and put it to work. Now, I'm not saying that you should not buy designer products, but there's another feeling when you know that you did something for yourself. You had something in mind, and then you put your brain to work and your hands to work, and afterwards it turns out something great out of your hands, out of your imagination. So I encourage you to do that. You can improve any dress, any simple dress. You can make it look great in pictures, and not only. You can create absolutely anything. So if you have opinions, if you have also created collars or bracelets, or if you have improved an outfit, then you are free to put comments, critical comments too. I'm open to new ideas from you. So I wanted to share with you that this, let's say, small tutorial, that small video about this a sort of DIY. I don't know if it's okay to call it DIY because I didn't show you all the steps about how to do this. For example, this collar, Lanvin style collar. It would be nice to in French, actually, video in French. So I have to practice my French and to improve it, actually. But I'll take some courage and make a video in French too. It sounds very interesting, very sensual, actually, in French. And I won't hesitate to do that too, actually. For now, a small accessory can change any outfit. Just a small accessory can make a change, right? So why not use your creativity? It's not a perfect accessory. It's, let's say, I'm gonna use it as an inspiration for other accessories, actually. So this ribbon, so the ribbon associated with pearls is actually the Lanvin style, and that gives you that chic touch to any outfit. That chic touch. If you have a silk ribbon, okay, that would make an impression. A silk ribbon and cultured pearls, so real pearls. Real pearls have more of an elegant touch. But as I have already mentioned before, the Lanvin house nowadays, they make collars and necklaces using faux pearls, so not genuine pearls because they are rare. However, let's say that you want a product or a collar that actually is made from real pearls. So you can buy the pearls, you can order the pearls, you can buy the real pearls, the real thing, and create your own necklace collar. Then you need a silk ribbon, a silk made ribbon. Silk makes a difference. Or you can use white chantilly ribbon, chantilly lace, sorry. You can use your imagination to the max, and you can do your own accessories and improve any outfit. Look at the contrast here. Right? That's a big difference. Or a small difference with a big effect here. So, okay, it's not perfect. As I told you, it's just a model for other colors, for other necklaces. And in general, if you don't find something on the market, if you have a great imagination and you don't find it online, offline, in stores, you want something unique, okay, something unique, something with a unique shape, then you have to go ahead and create it. Use all your resources in order to create something new. You have to do that actually nowadays, because you have to be different. We all have to be different now. Actually, put in practice your wildest ideas, your wildest dreams, actually, in order to be unique. The most important thing that we can do in this life is to be unique, to dress in a unique way, to express in a fully way, to express our personality, and to I don't want to use that cliche. I don't like to use that. I don't like this cliche to be the best version of ourselves. Instead, do the best to live the life you want to live. To actually fulfill your dreams, your small dreams, your big dreams, whatever you want, transform it into a reality. We are all sick and tired somehow by all this, piece of advices, even if they sound optimistic. There's a ton of videos um, on YouTube, on the YouTube channel, and that is helpful. I'm not saying it's not helpful. However, we have to put the ideas to work, not only to think in a positive way. It's not enough if you only hear the self-help conferences and wow, and then for 5 minutes or for a half an hour you fill yourself with that positivity. They when they tell you, oh, be positive, fulfill your dreams, now is the moment, everything, I mean, it's correct what they say, it's correct, but it's important to put those things, those dreams, those ideas into action. It's important not to delay an idea, a dream, something that you want to do, something that you really want to do. It's important to fulfill your natural desire to grow, your natural desire to create, to be creative, no matter the field you're working. Um, actually, uh, I apologize for my mistakes. Uh, sometimes I have to speak in French, sometimes in English, sometimes in Romanian, sometimes a bit of Spanish. So my brain is active in this area. So actually, I really hope that you enjoy my video. For now, I'm doing videos and tutorials for fun. But if you liked this video, you can press that subscribe button. Actually, I will improve in time the image and everything. Um, I am not going to let this video raw like I'm letting them right now. I'll work on them and I will eventually change something really. But as I told you, now I'm doing these videos for fun. If you like it, if you like them, then you can click the subscribe button and you can put a comment. I won't disable comments. Comments will not be disabled. So, but I prefer at the very beginning to make these raw videos and then to edit and it's my choice. So I want to give it a try. Okay, I will accept positive, negative comments no matter what. So I'm an open-minded person. I can easily communicate, and I hope you enjoyed my this small video. I won't make uh, a long videos. Okay, we all live in a rush. Okay, we lack time sometimes. Life has a certain type of dynamic nowadays, so there's a lot of stress, of pressure to do something rapid. So I won't make videos like 2 hours length or even 1 hour length. So if you like it, just put a comment. Don't hesitate to put comments. Don't hesitate to press the dislike button if you disliked it. Feel free to post comments no matter what. Feel free to express. Like, I have nothing against it. Okay, this was all that I wanted to tell you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye.